Hello everyone, my name is Super and today we're playing some more Gmod Flood.
Multiplayer edition.
It's the same thing.
And it's raining.
Joined a different server and Magic Man has already been on the server.
So I have a lot of stuff.
Lucky bastard.
I have all the bottom stuff here. This and this. Like this is 40,000. This is 23,000. This is 20,000. This is another 20,000. That's 10,000. That's 1,000. And then that's 25,000. How long have I been on this server? Over 3 days. You can see down the bottom left, I've had 14 wins, 320 losers. Oh, why am I on this one?
You're like, I'm gonna stay on this one. Oh yeah.
So yeah, and I'm gonna show everybody why I have this built like that. Look.
So back up.
With you on it, this bottom part down here stays underwater. That will shoot the top part and then it will float up.
Ow,
and
then,
you know, I have a backup boat here, so when this boat gets destroyed, I just press Z to undo the weld. It's welded. And then it floats up. Ta-da!
Then what happens if we take too much damage?
Huh?
What happens if we take too much damage?
You die?
I have the healer tool, remember?
Huh. Oh yeah, but if you like with the healer tool, it heals like 10 health of it, 10 of the health. I have the so I have all this bottom stuff. I haven't yet got the RPG. I've got the shotgun. I've got the crossbow. I've got the plasma pistol, plasma sniper, taser, firing cannon, prop healer, crowbar, and the grenades. Seriously, what else do I need?
You need...
And I've also got the automatic shotgun. That's like 40,000, so 20,000, 40,000, 15,000, another 40,000, 23,000, 20,000, 10,000, 1,000, and 25,000. Oh wait, I'm pretty sure I have the Viami frag bolt, which shoots grenades instead, and that's 65,000. That was 65,000.
Stop telling them the weapons that you have.
Dang, I don't have it. Yeah, I played on this a lot.
Just say that. This would be better.
Look.
All I have is I just joined and I got a Magnum, SMG, plasma pistol, and the popular
Magnum, which is good. All the top ones you can buy for free except for the plasma pistol. And I've got all of them. That one, that one, that one.
Question is, how do you do that? I am the boat midget.
I am the bird double midget dude. I'm looking up at you.
I'm the triple boat midget.
No, you're just the troll.
Luigi. Pick up. Get on. Get on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
No. There we go.
You only have 7 seconds. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know that. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Oh wait.
You went out.
By how this will work. Oh, I could see a guy. There's a guy just in front of us over there. It looks like we just got a longboat now.
Yeah, but in reality,
I don't know what my other things say. I'll show you guys the picture. It's pretty weird. It's just a bunch of stuff spread out.
Dying already?
Look. Yeah, they are. Yeah. Why is that other one floating? Okay, there we go.
I'll start healing it. Okay, and you just shoot.
Come on, load. And with the plasma stuff, you have infinite ammo, which is pretty good. And I'm sorry, guys, that I have bad quality.
Yeah, I have bad quality, so watch my side if you want.
Okay, he's shooting us. No, don't just watch his side.
I'm healing up at the moment. I have a lot of HP. Even if he shoots at us, we're just gonna keep healing him. Just keep shooting.
And you get money as you go, which is pretty good.
Trying to get up to 1000 HP.
That's spawn down.
I've hit maximum HP.
Okay. Just spam shoot it. Don't shoot those. They're heavy. I'll heal.
Heal, heal, heal. Where's the platform? Dude, we're floating. We're going down.
This is what I mean by backup. Oh,
Backup?
he's got underwater stuff as well.
God, I'm healing it. I'm healing it.
Oh my god, we're already dead.
How the?
And I'm dead.
Yeah, me too.
I earned no money from that.
Oh my god. Look at that. You think that it...
Next round, we're not using my thing. We're gonna build something different. Oh, I got an extra 1,000. Yay. Go into free roam mode. And then, see what we could build with.
He can't try his best.
We should build something like that thing he built. That, Dark Wolfie No Sound built.
Kitty Cat is almost dead. He's only has like 18 HP for his bow. One hit, he's pretty much dead. Are these guys teaming? Nope. Look at those eyes, the eyes of the man who just killed an innocent Steve.
He's dead now.
Yep. Oh, wait, maybe.
It was just sinking a bit so that he could. With the gravity gun, which is the Biomi cannon.
Can you pick up props?
No, you just shoot. You just hit your props with it, and it moves you.
How the hell are you gonna do that with that one platform?
See, he's got the Biomi frag bolt. It shoots grenades.
This guy's gonna win. Dark Wolf is pretty much dead.
Yeah, and he's getting shot.
And he's now they're just standing here.
Did you know that it's already been 10 minutes?
It's only been 9 minutes for me.
Oh, well, 9 minutes, but about 10. Point shop. Wait, what am I doing going to point shop?
I have 150.
Store. I can buy my guy now. Really?
Oh god damn, it does not work for me.
Guess what I am?
What?
I am literally my character that I love.
I can't move. There we go.
I got the room. TP.
You son of a bitch. I don't even know how to TP.
You just go to the teams thing. Okay, look at my skin.
Oh, come on.
It's me.
How do I do that? How do I do that?
Point shop. It says down the bottom right your points. I buy points
Only
sometimes.
shop.
Okay, let's get building.
It does not work for me. What the
The
hell?
good thing about this server is you get unlimited props. What the hell is this? Oh.
It's an eggplant.
No, 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 no. So what are we gonna build? There's a moderator on and he has 100k, 168k, and there's a VIP plus that has 1,369,000. Okay, let's
This has to
build
be this guy for
and
now.
Oh yeah, by the way, I love using, where is it? Do we not get it anymore? That's not fair.
Come on.
We don't get the prop anymore.
You stop blabbing and start building.
You get building as well. You have heaps of money. I have like not much money at all.
Let's make a giant boat. Let's do that.
Out of these. Oh wait, don't weld anything, because at the end I'm gonna weld everything all together completely.
You just build the outside. So weld this to this.
Wait, you don't need to weld anymore.
Slash give.
Yet.
Slash give.
Okay, now we gotta get.
I'm trying to type in your name.
I wish we got stacker. Are we allowed to use balloons? Dang, no.
There you go. You just got a bunch of money.
You gave me $5,000.
Nope, 10.
$10,000.
There you go. So you can get so much cash.
Now just build stuff like this. This is what we need to build around.
Well, I don't want to do the outside because if I did the outside, it'll probably, I forget to unfreeze them and then it'll start.
Just build.
I'll wind actually.
No, you don't need to. At the end, I'll wind everything together completely, so everything is welded to everything.
Oh,
that's why I'm not welding right now.
Uh-oh. Hang on.
No, why'd you unfreeze it?
I wanted to test it. I just wanted
Test it once I'm done.
Well.
Purple. Look, ready and all welded. Just wait.
Now, how am I gonna fix all these props now? If I prop peeler.
Oops. Wrong one. Pretty sure this one is what I wanted. And we can do all just floatiness.
Give me a sec, guys. It's gonna be frozen for a second. There you go. But in my videos, why that happens, it's because...
Why it pauses, because you're checking how long you're going for. Because we get tab out of our game for a second. That's exactly why that always happens in my videos too.
Reasons to no answer.
I don't know if in Half-Life you get the fizz gun.
You never get the fizz guns. Because the fizz gun was not supposed to be added.
It was just
It was added in
so that you could build.
yeah, it was only in one part.
Oh no! I was using the wrong tool.
Did you?
I accidentally removed it. You don't need a weld, dude. I've got this.
I just want to weld just in case.
No, look, ready? Let me click everything now.
God, you're gonna swing jump really fast. What the hell is that supposed to be?
They're done.
Really? That's it?
Yeah, smart
What is that
welds.
tool?
Smart weld. And once you're done with welding it all, once you've clicked on it all, you just right click on the prop and it's done. On a prop and it's just all welded. Look, all welded.
This is definitely gonna
And everything's welded to everything then.
I wish I can use the healer tool.
Why?
Because, well, I want to. It's because look how many damn ass props I have to heal. I'm looking at you. No, you're the damager. Okay, you heal. I'm gonna do as much damage as possible. Got that?
Wait, no. Wait, I should do the damage because I've got the better stuff. Then I pay you.
Okay then. Oh, that was close.
It's fine. Let's just kill these guys. They have so much stuff.
We could do that. It's easy.
They're going for us.
Oh.
Grenade.
Dude, we have a problem. Damn it, dude, they're destroying us.
Just shoot them. Yeah, just stay on one side.
I don't have the extinguisher.
I know, stun stick does. I tased someone.
Yeah, start shooting.
Taser. Wait, it's charging. Come on.
There's the guy who's shooting at us.
I know. I just need to charge. Come on.
Oh no.
Charge. Tase.
Sorry. I did everything I could for you. I did everything for you. I did something for us.
Well, that's my 322nd to lose.
God damn it. How much is this going on for? 19 minutes. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and see you later, mother hellers.